In this video, I'm going to show how to use event relationship in WebGUI. Event relationships can be used to group data in event viewer based on the relationship between different events. This functionality can be used in different scenarios. See one particular example on this slide. To demonstrate this functionality, I'm going to insert some sample data into Object Server database by using the sequels listed on this slide. To insert data into the database, I'm going to use Omnibus Administrator. You can use either this tool or NCO SQL to insert the data into the object server. Now I'm going to run a SQL to list the records I just inserted into the database. As you can see on the screen, the parent identifier column contains the ID of its parent record. So this defines the parent-child relationship between different events. I'm going to log into WebGUI and show you the steps on how to define event relationships. This video was recorded using WebGUI 8.1 Fixpak 13 and Dash version 3.1.3. Before I demonstrate how to define event relationship in WebGUI, let me show you the records I inserted into Object Server from Event Viewer. Now I'm going to define event relationship using relationship tool in WebGUI. Please watch the video for the steps. Next, I'm going to create a view and use the relationship I just defined. Please watch the steps in the video. Now let me show you event relationship in action. This concludes this video and thank you for watching.